Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today it is Mahalaya and this is the starting of Durga Puja. Durga Puja is one of the biggest festival in Calcutta and the city lights up like a new bride. So today I thought of sharing one of Bengal's very famous street food, chicken roll or chicken egg roll. So let us have a look at the ingredients now. For the ingredients we have chicken around a kilo. Today I am using boneless breast chicken pieces which I have cut into small cubes. For the dry spices I have here around 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder and 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, salt according to taste, around a cup of yogurt which I have beaten it smoothly, 1 medium sized onion which I have thinly sliced, and here I have 2 onions medium sized which I have roughly diced, 1 bell pepper roughly chopped, eggs. For each roll we'll need 1 egg, so it depends on how many you're making. And today I'll be using the frozen parathas. You can make the parathas at home also. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and some oil for cooking. So we'll start off by marinating our chicken. For that we'll add in all our dry spices and the yogurt and around a tablespoon of white oil. We'll give this a good mix and marinate it for around 30 minutes. I forgot to add the ginger paste in my chicken marination. So I'm adding it now and give a final mix again. And now we'll put this for marination. My pan has been heating and to this I'll add in around 2 tablespoons of white oil. I'll add in my marinated chicken. I'll cook my chicken around 10 to 15 minutes till they are well done. And remember to keep your gas on high flame while you are cooking. It's around 5 minutes now, and now I'll cover it and cook it for another 5-10 minutes. My chicken is cooked and now I'll remove my chicken, and in the same pan I'll add in my onions and capsicum. In the same pan I'll add around a tablespoon of white oil and chuck in my capsicums and onions. A little bit of salt. Give it a good mix. My onions and capsicum have been sauteing for around 5 minutes now, and to this I'll add my chicken again and mix it well. My chicken for the chicken rolls are now ready. I'll switch off the gas and start with the parathas now. My griddle has been heating and to this I'll add in one of my frozen parathas. You don't need to add in any oil for this. Just fry the parathas according to the packet instructions. Here are my 3 parathas ready. I'll show chicken roll today in 2 ways, one with egg and one without egg. For the egg chicken roll, what we'll do is, in the same griddle I'll add in a little bit of oil, and I have 1 egg well beaten over here with little bit of salt, and I'll add it. And top it up with my paratha. Here is my paratha with the egg ready. So what we'll do is, we'll first put in our chicken and onion and capsicum mixture in the middle, a little bit of raw onions, a little bit of lime juice and some pepper. You can add in green chilies, but since this is mainly for my kids today, so I'm not going to add any green chilies. and we'll make it into a form of a roll, and we'll wrap our roll in some baking sheet. For that we'll take the paper and then give it a fold like this, and then wrap it around the and one more I'll show without the egg. This is a plain paratha which I've fried, and to this I'll add in some chicken and onion and capsicum mix like before, a little bit of raw onions, maybe a little bit more, some lime juice and a little bit of pepper. My chicken and chicken egg roll both are ready. Do try it at home, and if you are a vegetarian then you can try it with some paneer instead of chicken. This is definitely one of the must try recipes, so do try it at home and let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.